What's crack-a-lackin', my little bro fishies? Welcome back to another super duper exciting episode, bro fishing. Today I'm out here with Matt and Magnus. Right now we're trying to get some bait, and yeah, Matt says he sees him, but I don't see him at all.
Oh, he's just blind.
Yeah, he is blind because of his pink eye.
Oh, you.
Oh, I'm blind. Never mind. Anyways, guys, today's target, snook and redfish again. Tide's nice and high, so it should be pretty good for that. Stay tuned. Should be a good episode. Yeah. Guys, I'm seeing the bait right here.
You're an idiot.
Woo! I got him. Woo! Matt POV right here, guys. Let's see it. Alright, man, just throw everything you got now.
Oh, I got 8 instantly.
Alright, take off the GoPro.
For all this?
You losing fish? No, I can't.
Shut up, I'm gonna catch one on film.
For all this?
Ready to get a clean lead today? Let's let them get in there.
Fish on!
Fish on! Matt cam!
Oh, someone's
Matt
chasing
cam!
Who was chasing it?
Someone's chasing
No, there's another little towel. Probably at least around cat cam or Matt cam. He's on.
You're on too.
No, I'm not. Look at that.
Look at that red.
Yeah. Wow, look at all these fishies. Can you get out of my way, Matt? That's a good snook.
I know. First one
First one of the day
in my life.
in your life.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, that's a good one.
It's a striper.
It's a striper. Fish on! Oh, there you go, Magnus. Oh, you almost hooked my toe. Oh, fish on, fish on.
No, told you, bro.
Dude, kick rocks.
Don't listen to that part.
Magnus, I can't believe you. You betrayed.
Sorry, Drew.
You betrayed.
It's just the facts. That's all I'm saying.
Well, whatever.
Need you pinfish someone?
Nice snook. Oh look, he's got a. Ah! He had a little divot in his back. Oh, I had one. Matt's on.
Snook cam.
Snook cam.
I like this rod.
You like it? Is that a One Life custom?
It is.
Look at that. Look at you go.
I mean, you caught a stupid one, but. Oh.
Trash.
You listened to the bike listening.
Trash, kid. Get out of the game. Throw a better chum out, would you? Yeah.
Is it a snook?
I don't know. It felt
It
good.
doesn't look like a red.
Oh, 2.5 seconds. 1 Mississippi.
No, but
2 Mississippi.
want
Mississippi.
it.
No. Ah, I was just a little bit off.
Double. Oh!
Trash, kid.
Leave a snook following yours. See the one behind it?
Big walleye. That's a walleye, son, if I've ever seen one. Oh! Dang walleye took my hook. Ow! Walleye spiky. spiky walleye.
There's another red.
Good. Another walleye. Got me another walleye, Kevin.
Like,
he's gonna break me off. He's gonna break me off. Ooh.
not that size.
Get the gaff. Oh. Oh. He's a fighter. He's a fighter. Yeah, that's a good one.
Oh, you got me.
Oh, heck yeah.
The bird's done.
You silly bird. Look at them all. They're all just hanging out. Whoa, that's a good one. A little bit bigger there. Oh, hey, buddy. That's how confident I am in this one.
This one right here.
Right in there, Magnus.
Boom. It's gonna get me. That's it.
No, that's a bait. That's some line. That's a little bit of line. We got him.
Got him.
Fish on!
Finally.
Fish on! Magnus on! Oh yeah! Boom! Finally, Snookums. Good job, buddy.
Thanks, man.
Snookums. First cast. Ooh! 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 Got me a Snookums. Good old little snooker doodle. Oh, I got your line. I'm sorry. I'm going to punish. What? Oh, this is a
Ancient line.
ancient line.
Magnus got the Loch Ness monster.
Oh, darn it. I have to fight him again.
What line is that?
I don't know, but we should probably go get it.
Watch it be hooked on a giant snook.
That would be pretty cool. See you, buddy. Oh, Matt's on. Get him, Matt. Go, go, Matt, go. Go, Matt, go. Woo!
Striper.
Another striper. Another walleye. Got you another walleye. Woo! Let's keep her.
I caught a bunch of these in Kentucky.
You got a bunch in Kentucky?
Yeah.
Walleyes?
Stripers.
Oh, stripers. That's right. Got me another walleye. Ooh. Are you joking me? You little turd. You come back and eat my bait right now. Oh, he missed it again. Wow. Oh, there it goes. Is that a redfish?
No. Yeah. It is really like boiling.
I can't tell.
Is it a red?
Look, no, it's a snook. I almost got really excited there. Not that snook are not exciting, but he's actually a good one. Oh, wow. Another walleye. There's a fish called walleye, and there's this TikToker. Wow.
Okay, not me.
Yeah, this is TikToker. He caught a walleye,
Walleye?
and he's like, "Got me another walleye. Got me another walleye, Kevin." It's really funny.
Sounds like
Beautiful snook. The wild Floridian snook. Look at those poisonous spines with his red dot sight eyeball. See you, buddy. Matt's on a redfish. Nice one, too.
Look at the red.
Oh my gosh, there's so many of them. Solo net job. Nice, man. That's sick. That was gigantic.
That was the laziest school of redfish I've ever seen.
I know, man. That was.
How are we able to sneak up on them?
I don't know, but that was a huge school of reds. How big is he? He's probably 26, 25, 26.
Perfect little slot size. 25.
25.
See, bud?
Nice job, Matt.
That was so cool.
That is sick. That was like hundreds of redfish right there. Fish on, baby. I didn't even know he was on there. Nice snook. He's going crazy. He's going nuts. He's going stupid. Go crazy. Blah. Nice snook.
Other guy's school.
Right? Nice little snickerdoodle. Matt's on. Snickerdoodle-doo. Snickerdoodle-doo.
Dude, I ain't done this since my Poseidon.
Hello. Snickerdoodle-doo. Snickerdoodle-doo.
We don't mention that name in this account.
Alpha. Oh, you got him. He's on the tree. He's on the tree. Got him off the tree. Let's go. Snickerdoodle.
Little tiny sucker.
Yeah, he is. Reminds me of something else. Nice. I knew that was gonna be. Bring this on.
Another tiny one.
Another one. Oh, he ain't that bad. Get in there! Get in there! Got him!
Yeah.
Woo! Nice job. Oh! Bye bye!
So sorry.
We doubled up? The Dubskis?
Where's mine going? Where's yours going?
Woo! Woo! The Dubskis. One snook, two snook. I hate to say it, Matt, but his is bigger.
Size matters.
Size matters. Nice.
Small guy.
Hey, let's get a double picture, shall we? Cool.
Look at the mouth of the point. See him?
Yep.
So it's
Fish on. Got the fishing on the day. Fish on. I got fish every day. Fish on. If you guys want a bucket trip and have as much fun as we are,
Captain Matt.
catching snook.
Captain Magnus.
My number is going to be right here, guys. You know what? Snook. Who should people book with when they want to come fishing in
Oh yeah.
Tampa Bay?
Captain Magnus.
Captain Brophy. Here's my number, or look in the description of the video. Good job, Mr. Snook. I did not pay him to say that.
This is a non-paid advertisement. Sponsored.
Snapper on. No. Yeah, snapper though. Hey, calm down, calm down. Little mangrove snapper out of the mangroves. Eeh. Sweet. Another species? Yes. I got a little redfish or a snapper. Catfish, redfish. I went through like 5 different. Oh, you got him! Cool, I got me a little red. I just realized, Matt, you got a slam.
Yeah.
I'm one off from a slam. Cute little red dude. See you, buddy.
Real.
That's a redfish. Snapper. Same thing. That's a keeper snapper too, it looks like. A little snapper doodle do.
Wow.
Wow. Matt's on.
Oh, that's
Yeah,
a cute little guy.
that's 3 snapper, bro. 3 of them. Tres leches. Tres leches ducho snapper. No wave?
Yes.
Yes. Fish on!
Snooky, snooky, stop.
Snooky, 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 snooky. Good job, Magnus. Good little boy. Bye-bye. Last fish of the day, Max got him. Last fish of the day. Last fish of the day. What you got, buddy? What you got? It's a tank?
Yeah, get the net.
Get the net, Magnus.
Get the net. Dude, this is a big one.
It's a big one.
Yo, get the net. Oh my god.
Jump in for him. Jump in for him.
Yeah, there you go.
Oh, oh, oh,
Dude,
oh.
dude, don't, dude, this might be.
Don't mess it. No. Oh, oh. Oh.
Get in.
Oh.
Yeah! Woo! Woo! That's why you come to Tampa, baby. Captain Drew Brophy.
On him.
X-Head Fishing Charters.
Nice snook.
Did you get my picture?
Yeah. Good job.
Way to end it.
Thank you guys so much for watching today's episode of Bro Fishing. If you have made it this far, I greatly appreciate it. Please consider subscribing if you like this kind of content. Hit the thumbs up button also to show your appreciation. It helps me out too. Really gets my day going when I see that thumbs up button underneath my videos. Yeah, just stay tuned. There's gonna be some giveaways coming up, so once I get the stuff that I'm giving away in, I'm gonna show them to y'all, and then yeah, it should be a good one. Appreciate it, guys. I'll see y'all in the next video.